Hi, my name is Tanya, and I'm going to present the first part of my evidence 3. And my presentation is named Study Skills. Unit 1, Speaking in Groups. This is a part of considering. So this is steps to have a great speaking in your group or in any kind of group. Agree with the last speaker. Is the easiest way of keeping, and to be agreeing to a conversation. Using like phrases like "that's right," "yes," "okay," or another phrase like "I was thinking that myself," or "that's a very good point." The second point is add information. It's like a feedback to the last speaker, using the phrases like "that's right," "you're okay." I have another example, like something like that. Ask for information. Ask information and clear doubts. Like, can you tell me another example? Can you repeat it? Give your opinion. This keeps the discussion going. It's like introducing phrases like "I think," "it seems to me," "in my opinion," "I have another thing," "I think that," something like that. Disagree with something is like putting doubts, like in the desk, to find other ways to solve the problem, making new ideas. Show interest. This keep going again the conversation. Phrases like "really," "it is true." Learn from others. Pay attention of what each person said. Unit 3, listening to extend lectures. This is the steps to listen lectures, or the listening part. Read the topic title and think about of what it will going to talk about. You have to have an idea of what you are going to listen. Number 2, ask if you can record the lecture to listen afterwards, if it can repeat twice. Make notes or keywords. When you are listening the lecture of the topic, you have to make notes or keywords to then put later more information. Draw diagrams or list, again with notes or keywords. Write about what you think about the lectures. What do you think about the topic? Is this returns to point number 1. 6, with a partner, talk or exchange if they have the same problems like you, or also exchange information. And 7, use the abbreviations in some word it repeats. Unit 5, recording achievement. What is a goal? It's a personal or academic objective that you want to achieve it. How to make goals? That I know and that I will achieve them. Well, first, to make a goal, you have to be very you have to know what goals you are going to do, or what goals you want to achieve. and how many goals. Second, know which ones of that goals you think you will achieve. And of all that goals, you have to separate what goals you can do it in a short or in a long term, and make all the necessary things, actions to achieve all the goals you want to achieve. Unit 7, organizing your personal study online. Well, it's again the part of consider it. Formulate an effective search strategy. Organize how you want the articles to be about by the selecting relevant keywords. Words like and or set out a study routine. Plan your study week. Is like a plan, like an agenda of all the activities you are going to do. Set realistic study goals. It's also like set out a study routine. You have to plan your weekend, your week, also the weekend, and all that plans in all the weeks of the months of the year, and that's sorry, I get a wrong word there. It's organized, not organizar. Minimize distractions. Have time for you, or get a close room where you can only be you. Foster motivation to stay focused. For example, to me, is like music or relaxed music. Use your new knowledge. Connect what you research or what you learn with what you know. Unit 9, exam technique. Make a note of the time that you must move on to the next question. Read the questions slowly, highlight key points, check the back of the paper to see if there are other questions, structure your answers just as you will for coursework. If you go blank, brainstorm words and ideas on a sheet of notepaper. Check through your work at the end. These really are like steps when you are in the exam. In any kind of exam, you have to check the time you have to answer the exam. We need to read the questions carefully. Check if we have another questions or something more to answer. Structure the answers. It's like see if you don't have errors in the moment you answer the questions. You can make if you go blank in brainstorm words, you can make notes in another sheet of paper to remember the topic. And for finally, check if you don't have answers in white. I think it will be a good exam if you make this technique. My conclusion is that I think that following these skills, me and every student can improve their personal and academic techniques and goals to study, and for a result of that, we can improve our results, our grades in the school and in every subject. And here is my only reference, is my English book, Skillful Listening and Speaking. Thank you very much.